This movie describes how to use the Arranging Addends target sum puzzles activity. Here we have two circles, a green circle and a blue circle, and some numbers sitting at the bottom of our screen. Our goal is to drag the numbers, circles, and the points so that the sum of the numbers in the green circle is 9 and the sum of the numbers in the blue circle is 18. So we can move the circles by dragging them either by their circumference or by the point that sits on the circumference to change their size, and we can drag the numbers. So we need to pick numbers for the green circle whose sum is 9, so let's pick 1 and 8. And when we do, notice that because we have the correct sum, the interior of our circle turned green. Well, now we need numbers whose sum is 18 for the blue circle. So how about 2 and 16? And there we go. We got the answer correct. Let's try a new problem. To do so, I'll press New Puzzle. So now we need numbers for the green circle whose sum is 24, and for the blue circle we need numbers whose sum is 20. So let's start with 24. So I'll drag the 8 and the 16 into my green circle. So there we go, we got that part correct. And now we need numbers whose sum is 20 for the blue circle. So how can I make 20? Well, I need to use the 4 and the 16. So if I drag the 16 into my blue circle, look what happens. I now have the correct sum for the blue circle, but oh, the green circle is no longer correct. Its sum is now just 8. I need both conditions to be true at the same time. I need the numbers in this circle to add up to 24, and the numbers in the blue circle to add up to 20. So how can I do that? Well, if I drag my blue circle so it intersects my green circle, I can place the 16 so it sits within both circles simultaneously, and I can move my 4 over so that I now have a sum of 24 in the green circle and 20 in the blue circle, both at the same time. So that's how it works with two circles. There's a page with 3 circles in which I have to satisfy 3 conditions simultaneously. And there's also a keeping score page where I get to play 10 puzzles, one after another, each worth 10 points. If I solve a puzzle and I think I got it correct, I can press Next Puzzle and receive 10 points. But if I'm incorrect, I'll receive 0 points. A safer option is to press Check Answer. If I'm incorrect when I press Check Answer, I get to play the same puzzle again, but this time the puzzle is only worth 8 points instead of 10. Finally, there's a Make Your Own page. This you can play with a partner. You can pick any values you like between 1 and 63 for the 3 circles, and I can type them in right here. So perhaps I'll type 23 and 31 and 45. And now my partner has to make these sums correct in each of the 3 circles using just these numbers here, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So there are a variety of ways that you can play the Arrange the Addends puzzles.